Hello, dear 8th graders. How are you guys? I hope everything is fine with you. As you know, today I am going to take my vaccine. I recorded this a day before. And maybe I will be there in the classroom, but for safety, I will record this video to be sure you are ready to do it. Okay? Today, let's talk about box and whisker. For real, the name here is box plot. I will explain to do how to do this thing. We have an asynchronous lesson, or maybe synchronous, let's see. And please attention over here how to do it, because in your project number 2, right now we are supposed to graph. The first graph I'm teaching you now here, it is the box plot, and we'll learn about the histogram and the circle graph. Great, let's go over here, guys. Here, let me explain to you what is it thing over here. Well, box plot, as you can see here, it is a way to display data in a number line by organizing it into 4 sections using a 5-number summary. Okay, box and whisker plots help visualize the distribution of the data. Great, nice. But let's understand each thing over here, guys. As you can see, let me organize everything here. Where? Oh, you are here. Okay, the first thing, let's understand what does it mean each thing over here. Okay, what I need to do here, it is first of all, what is the smallest data? The smallest, mister. I don't know. I don't know exactly what do you mean about the smallest data. The minimum value. Okay, guys, I'm talking about the minimum value. What does it mean? The minimum value, guys, as you can see here, it is the smallest data on our thing over here. Nice. As you notice, guys, the smallest data, it is the least quantity or the least number of our thing over here. We're working on it. Great. Let's understand each thing and what we need to do to be sure we are understanding this thing. Okay, what else? We have here all the information that we need. What do we have over here? The first we needed, it is attention over here. We're supposed to do here, guys, we have the lower quartile. The lower quartile, it is the median of the lower half. The median of the lower half. I have here the minimum value, and we have over there the lower quartile. Okay, we learn about these two things right now. Let's go ahead and understand a little bit more about the other things. Great. Let me type all this information here, because typing will be good to be sure you are understanding this thing. Okay, let me search test. Yes. Okay, the minimum value, what does it mean? The minimum value, it is the smallest data. Okay, let me type here. It's white. Let me change the color here. Okay, better. It is the smallest data. Okay, it is the minimum value. Great. Right now, the lower quartile, as I told you, it is the median. Okay, it is the median of the lower half. Okay, we need to find the median of the lower half. That is the lower quartile. The median, we know already, the median, it is the half of our data. Okay, exactly the middle. Okay, I think you remember these things, we talk about this in lesson in the classroom. Okay, it is the middle value. The middle value. But be sure organize your data, okay? The smallest to the larger. be sure to organize your data before you find this one. Upper quartile, guys, the upper quartile, it is the upper quartile, it is the median of the upper half. The median of the upper half of the data. And the maximum value, the maximum is the biggest data. Okay, mister. It is the biggest, the largest. Okay, it is the largest data. Great, now we understand each thing over here. It is the largest value. Okay, the largest value. I think it's better value than data. Great, we have all information that we need for our lesson to understand this thing here. Okay, right now let's understand a little bit more. Okay, what do you need to think about over here? This thing. Okay, let me think about it. I have all the information here about the data, which one does it mean, and how we work on each one of that data. Right now, guys, let's go ahead and solve one problem to understand this thing. Yes? Oh no, first, let me explain to you what is the quartile. What does quartile mean? Guys, quartile, it is, attention over here, I will write to you understand what does it mean. Quartile, it is the four sections, it's white again, now better, the four sections, okay, oh, I forgot to change here, the four sections, oops, it's a lot, okay, now, it is the four sections of what? The four sections of the data make up the box. The data make up the box. Make up the box. And box plot each quartile. The box and each quartile. Box plot each quartile represents 25% of the data. 25% of the data. That's why we say this is a quartile, 1/4. Okay? And let's understand here distributing this data. Okay, let's distribute our data. Be sure we are understanding this thing. Let's distribute here, guys. What do we have over here? Here, it is the first fourth of our data. Okay, here is the first fourth of our data. As you can see. What else, miss, we have over here? Oh, the first 1/4. Let me just type here. Let me increase a little bit. Great. Here is the first fourth of our data. Okay, everybody can see it, I think. Yes. Let me organize a little bit here. Okay, better here. Nice. Here's the first fourth of our data. What else? I have more fourths. Yes, I have a here. Oops, not this one. It's this one. I have another fourth here. Here's the second fourth. Do we have more? Yes, we have it. Here it's another fourth of our data. And the last one, I have the last fourth over here. Here's the last fourth. And what else, mister? We have just fourths over there? No. As you can see here in the box, the quantity of data, it means a half of all data is inside the box. Okay? Attention, guys, I'm not talking about the range. I talk about the quantity of data I have in each part. Maybe the range is very big, but doesn't matter the biggest of the range. What does matter for me is how many data I have in that range. Okay? Interquartile range, what does it mean, mister? Interquartile range, it is the range between It is, let me add again the test over here. It is the range. Oops, let me move this a little bit. It is, oh, that's right, the color here. Now better. It is the range between the upper and the lower quartile. Okay, it is the difference between this distance. In other words, it is the length of the box. Okay, or the length of the box. Great. In other words, it is the length of the box. Great. Mister, can you show an example for us? Yes, guys, let's do it. I'll show an example here for you. First of all, organize the data. We have here years of experience of 9 teachers. Okay, the first teacher 18 years, the second teacher 27, 5, 14, 10, 21, 12, 8, and 30. Great. Let's find right now here some information for, let's first, as I told you guys, organize our data. Let's organize our data. Here, I'm organizing the data. Let's do it. First data, I have it. It is, the least one is 5. Oh, let me change the color again. It's white. Now, okay, 5. This is the least one. The second least, 8. The third least, 10. The fourth, 12. Fifth, 12, right now 14. Sixth position here, 14, 12, 10, 14, okay, because every 18 now, 18. The seventh position here, 21. The eighth, it is 7th, and the ninth position, 30. Great. I organize my data over here. What is the minimum value? Oh, mister, the minimum value, as you can see, is number 5. Okay, let me write number 5 over there. Number 5, it's here. Why, miss? 5 is my least number. And who is my maximum value? The biggest data. The biggest data, as you can see here easily, it is the biggest number. It is 30. Let me copy this information, copy and paste. Great, better. The maximum, 30. Here is the biggest data for our information here. 30 is the maximum. The median is the number in the middle. Who is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have 9. 9 divided by 2, 4.5. One more, or round to the nearest whole number, it is 5. The position number 5 is the middle. This one, guys, I have 4 before and 4 after. Here is my middle data, 14. Great. Here is my in the middle position number, 14. Let me copy here. The median, it is this one. And who is the median of my lower half? Here is my lower half, guys. The number 5, 8, 10, and 12. Who is the median, guys? These two guys here, 8 and 10. They are the middle dot over here, as you can see. And then it find the average between these numbers. It is 8 plus 10 divided by 2, which is, let me organize here the data to be sure everything correct. 8 plus 10 divided by 2. 8 plus 10 divided by 2 is 18. 18 divided by 2, it is, let me do it over here, it is 9. Equals 9. Okay, here is my lower quartile, 9. And my upper quartile, 21 and 27. Here it is the average. Okay, here's the two numbers, 21 and 27. Let me copy here, paste here. Let me organize here, 21 and 27. Organize this data here, upper quartile. Nice. 21 plus 27. After you add those numbers, divided by 2, which is, let's see, equals, next line, the result will be equals 24, which is 48. 48 divided by 2, 24. Here is my answer, 24. And my range I know is the difference for the biggest minus the smallest. My range over here, it is 30 minus 5, which is 30 minus 5, it is equals to 25. And my interquartile range, IQR, guys, means interquartile range. It is the upper quartile, 24 over here, minus the smallest quartile. Who is the smallest quartile? 24 minus 9, which equals to 15. Here is my interquartile range. Right now, what I'm supposed to do? Let's draw the box. Let's do it. Label it first, okay? I will label here, guys. Let me start labeling this information here. And here, box, okay? Let me label the first number. Let's start with the first number I have over there. I have 5. 5 is the first. Oh, let me write the color to blue. Okay, it's okay, blue. 5 here. In 2 and 2, okay? 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, and 19 after, 19, 21, 23, 25, 27, 29, 31. Great. I have it labeled. Right now, after this, let's go draw the box. My box in blue. Let me start here, shape. Where is the shape? Shape here. The box. Okay, great. My box is starting in 9, goes into 30. 9. Oh, not 30, sorry. 9 and 24. My bad. 9 and 24. 24 is between 23 and 25. Great. It is color blue. Let me change it for blue. Great. I have now, not fill it, no fill, but outline blue. Let me change this one to be sure everything is greater than, okay, nice. And I need a line now. I need a line. Where the line? The line, oh, not here. The line I need in 14. Where's 14? Oh, 14 is here, mister. Here's the line. Okay, no, the line. Insert, shape, line. Great. It is in 14. Why 14, mister? Because 14, it is exactly the position for our median. Median is over there in 14. Okay, let me increase this one too. Shape outline, the wave. Better. Okay, nice. 14 is over here. Let me move a little bit. Oops. Okay, now 14. Better. Okay, 14 here. And in red, let me draw 2 red lines. Okay, goes into 5, starting 5, and goes into here, connecting the box. And I have another line here. I needed this line, ups, here, the line goes to 30, my maximum number, until here, my least result. Got it. Okay, let me change the color here, shape outline, red. I change the weight also. Great, better. Red, and here, the weight. Okay, guys. As you can see, here is the box plot. Very easy. It's very useful to understand the distribution of our data. Okay, I know this first red line, it is at 1/4% of my data, and this part of the box until the middle number here. Oh, let me just change the weight here. Okay, this one is green. Guys, this one here, as you can see, here is my median. Okay, this part is another fourth, and this one, the median until the end of the box, another fourth, and here the last red line, another fourth. Okay, we finished the video. If you need anything, just let me know. Bye bye, guys. Have a good class.